My question for this project is, what businesses will help you pay for college? To access my presentation, you can go to YouTube, look up Jesse Bradshaw, and the video title will be What Businesses Will Help You Pay for College. I started this project with my own major in mind, nursing. I started to ask the questions, what businesses will pay for my schooling to become a nurse while still working as a nurse? I found an article on College Monk by Rashida N. titled Hospitals That Pay for Nursing School 2021. In the article, it explains which hospitals in the U.S. will help pay for college. For example, in Utah, University of Utah Healthcare will do 50% reduction on tuition fee for full-time employees pursuing their education at University of Utah, etc. After finding this article, I thought this information could help everyone's major, not just mine. I changed my question to, what business will help pay for college? The same question that is on my beginning title card. With this new question in mind, I found on CNBS they dedicated a whole page to answering this question, written by Jessica Dickler, titled, Many companies are offering generous tuition assistance so workers can go back to college. In the article, it explains in 2020, many people and companies have put higher education on hold. Colleges lost attendance, and many people stopped trying to go back to college after the pandemic. But now, in 2022, companies will start to put higher education as top priority. 80% of companies already help pay for tuition. 1% of companies are planning to help in 2022, and 7% to 2022 to 2023. On e-student loans, they even go into which companies will help and what they will do. The article is titled 36 Companies That Help Pay for College. A few of these companies are UPS. Part-time are eligible for $5,520 in tuition per year. At Publix, at a 4-year college can receive $3,200 annually and $12,800 as a lifetime limit. Wells Fargo offers employees up to $5,000 in reimbursement annually. Verizon work at least 17 hours a week so they could help pay tuition from your start date. These are only 4 of the businesses that will help you. There are many more and different offers. This is my sources and where I found all this information. I encourage for each one of you to go look and go see for yourselves. Thank you.